Welcome to Alone Together Baking, where we bake together alone. I'm Sky, and this is my lockdown hair. I'm sure you have lockdown hair as well. So today, we are going to make flourless peanut butter cookies. What? No flour? How is that even possible? Well, you know what I say? The best ingredients are the ones you already have. And most of us can't find flour in the grocery stores anymore. So hopefully you have some kind of peanut butter or nut butter in your pantry and you can make these. So let's get to it. We have 1 cup peanut butter, half a cup brown sugar packed with half a cup white sugar, conveniently in the same measuring cup. We have 1 egg, we have a teaspoon of baking soda, and we have an optional teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this recipe is so easy. Since there's no flour, you don't have to worry about over mixing. And all we have to do is put all the ingredients together and mix them. So let's do that right now. So I don't have a mixer, but I did order one, and it's back ordered right now. So right now it's just me and my panda biceps. And that's it for the dough. It is done. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. Then I'll come back after an hour or so that it's easier to work with. And then we'll start making the cookies. So I am back now after refrigerating the dough, and we're going to do these in 4 different batches. I want to kind of experiment around and see what we can do. And we're going to roll these into about 1-inch balls. And what I'd like to do is roll these in some granulated sugar, so that way they have this kind of sparkly shine after they bake. So I have a little ramekin here filled with sugar. And we're going to put these in the oven, and when they begin to get a little darker and they're going to fall and crack, they're going to look beautiful. When they just start to darken, that's when we take them out. Whoa, they look scrumptious and so sparkly too. So anyway, we're going to leave it on the pan for a little while. And this time what I want to try to do is we're going to double the size of the cookie. Now I haven't tried this before, but I think it's worth trying. You know, if these cookies are good, then twice as big is twice as good, right? Okay, so here we have 3 double-sized cookies. We are going to put them again in a 350-degree preheated oven and see how they turn out. They absolutely look scrumptious. We are going to try making a little well in the ball and putting some jam in it. And I have this fig spread. That we got, and I'm just going to put a little bit in each of the wells. We're going to put this in the oven, see how these turn out. Jam-topped peanut butter cookies. It has been a treat baking with you today. If you want a written version of this recipe, check out the website alonetogetherbaking.com. I'm Sky, and let's bake together again soon.